We've got some news from the MXGP side of the world, that guy right there. And I'm going to say sorry again, butchering this, I know. Karlis Reisulis? Reisulis? I don't know. Somebody comments down below. Tell me how to pronounce that last name. Or both of them, I guess. But he's gotten the kick up from EMX2 to, or sorry, EMX 250 all the way up to the MX2 class, which he'll be racing the remainder of the 2024 season after getting nine podiums with Yamaha since 2021. He's now going to be joining Rick Elzinga. There we go, for the rest of the season, making his debut in Indonesia for the 29th to the 30th round. So, comments down below. Tell me, do you watch MXGP? Do you watch MX2? Do you watch EMX 250? Do you know anything about this guy? Or are you just an American motocross or supercross fan? Personally, I really like MXGP and that side of the world racing because you get to see different things. Obviously, going from where he podium in Latvia last time he raced to now Indonesia, seeing the different parts of the world, different tracks, how they, I don't know how they set them up, how, like obviously there's big sand tracks and then Indonesia is going to be a very different, complete side of dirt. So I don't know. I personally, I like MXGP. I just like racing in general, but comments down below, tell me, who do you think wins? Do you watch MXGP? Or again, 250, 450s in the motocross in the US? Who do you think wins that? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.